friends, welcome back to the channel Sci. In this one I'm going to do the unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with the Realme GT Neo 5 SE, and previously I did upload the videos on the Realme GT Neo 5. So this is a Realme GT Neo 5 device which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this is a Realme GT Neo 5 SE device with a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. And let's do the quick unboxing. And the specifications are the phone has got the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor, and which has got the 5500 mAh of battery capacity in this device. And the processor is same like the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device, which is also called as a Poco F5 device. Same kind of processor we can actually see in this Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. So overall we'll try to see how is the experience of the Realme GT Neo 5, and this is a quick unboxing and initial impressions about the device. So let me do the quick unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 5 SE smartphone. As you can see friends, this is the Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. And right now I do have the Realme GT Neo 5 device, and this is the Realme GT Neo 5 SE. So which is going to be really interesting device. So for the budget range, the price which I got for about close to 31,000, that's what the price I did buy. And right now let's do the quick unboxing of this Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. So let me show you what kind of color variant I have ordered. So this is a color version which I did order at this moment. So this is a quick look at the Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. As you can see friends, so let me show you the color variant what I got here right now. This is a quick unwrapping of this Realme GT Neo 5 SE, which has got the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. So right now we're going to take a look at the exact details, what are the things you can actually expect in the box. So let me show you the first thing regarding the phone case, so which will be present here. And the phone case is also really very good case, so which is pretty good. So which is not the transparent case, so which is a silicone case only. So build quality is also really very good with the case. So this is what I like most of the time, so giving the pretty good case instead of transparent case. And right now we do have the 100 watts charger in the box as well. So this is a 100 watt superbook charger. As you can see friends, this is a 100 watts charger, and there will be normal USB to type C cable inside the box as well, which is present here right now. So let me to keep everything aside. And the phone specifications are, the phone has got the 5500 mAh of battery capacity, along with that 100 watts of fast charging, and Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor, and OLED panel with the 144Hz refresh rate, 6.74 inches of screen size, and you can see the resolution and the pixel density. And overall I'll definitely test the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor chipset in this device. So right now I'm trying to booting up as well at this moment, and stay tuned for more updates also on this device. And these are the details about the video recording. It can record up to maximum 4K 30 FPS, so which is limited to the 30 FPS, but 60 FPS you cannot do that. And there is no 3.5mm jack in this device. And right now I do have the Realme GT Neo 5 as well, so I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison between these both phones, Realme GT Neo 5 and Realme GT Neo 5 SE. So stay tuned for those details in case if you're interested regarding the side-by-side comparison. And right now the phone did boot up at this moment, and as I said, I'll definitely do the plenty of comparison between these both phones. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested for more updates. But this is a quick initial impressions and unboxing review about the Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. And stay tuned for more videos friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos also on this Realme GT Neo 5 SE device. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.